Github-Copilot, your AI pair programmer. Github-Copilot helps you write code faster with less work. And with Github-Copilot, you can convert your comment to code. You just proceed by writing a comment describing the logic you want, and Github-Copilot can predict the code for you. How nice and interesting is that? It can also give you different alternative solutions about a particular code. You can choose to accept or reject, so you can manually edit the suggested code. Github-Copilot speaks all languages you love, such as Python, JavaScript, Ruby, Java, C++, Go, and any language you can think of, including frameworks. So with that said, let's jump right in. Open your VS Code, go to the extensions and search for Github-Copilot so you could be added to the waitlist. As you can see, Github-Copilot is an AI pair programmer which suggests line completions and entire function bodies as you type. Github-Copilot is powered by the OpenAI Codex AI system, trained on public internet tests and billions of lines of code. To learn more about Github-Copilot, let's visit the Copilot at github.com. So this is the official site of Github-Copilot, your AI pair programmer. With Github-Copilot, get suggestions for whole lines or entire functions right inside your editor. This technical preview is a beta preview, meaning access to Github-Copilot is limited to a small group of testers during the technical preview of Github-Copilot. If you don't have access to the technical preview, you will see an error when you try to use the extension. So if you don't have an access yet, you need to sign up for the waitlist for your chance to try it out. You'll get notified once you have access via your email. So when I try to sign up, you can see it detects that Github-Copilot is already enabled on my account. Go ahead and sign up so you could be added to the waitlist. I can't actually tell the number of days, weeks or years to have access, but if you are fortunate enough, you can get yours early by receiving notification via email. So let's try an example out. By the way, this is a C++ file I'm writing in, so let's start by commenting out function that returns the reverse of a string. It should be able to detect the syntax of a C++ code. So let's start by writing include iOS stream and also use namespace std int main. So within here it should be able to detect it. Wow, there we go. String of string, cout, enter a string and get line of the entire string. It's the same thing with JavaScript. Let's start by commenting out the function that returns the reverse of a string and see how it will be written in JavaScript. So in here it creates a function name and name it as reverse string, which takes in a parameter of str. It creates a variable of split string and take in the string and split. Oh, there we go. Let's do the same for Java. So let's comment out function that returns the reverse of a string. It should be able to detect the syntax of a Java code. There we go. It gives me the complete function. Let's try one more example out. So let's start to comment out what we want to do. In this situation, we want to find the average of a numbers within an array. So let's see what Github-Copilot have for us. So let's start by writing some public class main. So within that, let's see, there we go. It creates a main method, and within that, an array integer and initially passing a value by creating a sum and loop through. Someone might not prefer this code. Github-Copilot provide a way for different alternative to solve the same problem. So you can check it out. You can see the accepted solution. You can choose between the one you prefer. So what do you want Github-Copilot to do? Leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to always come out with the best. See you in our next video. Until then, stay tuned.